வெல்கம் டு நர்சஸ் தமிழ். இன்னைக்கு வந்து கொரோனா ரிலேட்டட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஸ் ஆஃப் கொரோனா வைரஸ் ரிப்போர்ட்டட் இன் வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் இன் வுகான் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஆஃப் சைனா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கேஸ் அதர் than China is in Thailand on 13th January. First case reported in India is in Kerala district of Thrissur on 30th January, Jan 30th. Then on Jan 11th, China reports first coronavirus death as mysterious pneumonia death. It is reported as mysterious pneumonia death. On Jan 30th, WHO announced coronavirus as world emergency, not as pandemic but as world emergency. Next, this is the timeline from 2019 to 2020 of Jan 29. The first patient showed the symptoms of coronavirus is on December 8. Then on December 31, China alerts WHO about several pneumonia cases. They reported it as several pneumonia cases but not as coronavirus. On Jan 1, Wuhan wholesale steel market is shut down. On Jan 7, they identified it as coronavirus COVID-19. On Jan 11th, first death is recorded in China. On Jan 13th, first case outside China, that is in Thailand, it is reported. Then on 24th March, the first lockdown in India is started. On February 11th, coronavirus is named as COVID-19. On February 11th, the coronavirus is named as COVID-19. And the flower throwing is done by the Indian Air Force on June 3rd actually. And next, on March 11th, WHO announced it as pandemic. On Jan 30th, it is announced as world emergency, but it is announced as pandemic in March 11th only. Janata curfew is announced on 22nd March. This is the article from Hindustan Times. And on April 2nd, COVID-19 cases worldwide surpassed 1 million. Then coronavirus questions related to microbiology are coronavirus incubation period. It is 2 to 14 days. That is, after 2 to 14 days only, the patient will develop signs and symptoms. The size of the coronavirus is 135 nm approximately. That is, it is randomly around 80 to 140 nm. Then the virus belongs to the family Coronaviridae and it is a positive single-stranded enveloped RNA virus. Tests commonly done are RT-PCR, that is reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. It is done by nose swab. For screening, they will see the RDR gene, and for confirmatory, they will see NNE gene. Then another test is also done, antigen antibody test. They will see mostly the IgM and IgG. Then MyLab is the first lab in India to find a kit for COVID-19. It is found by Minnal Boschle and it is approved by ICMR. It is cheapest kit. Its cost around 450 rupees. Next is drugs. Some special drugs are used for COVID-19 such as anti-helminthic drug, ivermectin and HIV drug, PI type, that is protease inhibitors. Example, ritonavir. Then the first vaccine developed in India is by Bharat Biotech, which is going to be tested on August 15th. Covaxin vaccine approved by ICMR. Then the Arogya Setu app is introduced in 2nd April by MEIT for tracing the coronavirus patients. Then the other important coronaviruses are SARS, which affected China in 2012, which is similar to the present coronavirus. The present coronavirus is also stated as SARS-CoV-2. Then HKU, which affected, it is also a coronavirus which mostly leads to pneumonia, which affected Hong Kong in 2005. Then MERS, which affected Saudi Arabia in 2012. And then we know the COVID-19, 2019 Wuhan. The origin is for HKU, it is mice. For MERS, it is from bats. COVID, still now they are fine. There is no definitive origin is founded. Signs include fever, cough, and shortness of breath for coronavirus. The first sign mostly reported is fever. Dunning and doping. Dunning is done with hand washing, starting from hand washing, then inspecting, then wearing the head cap, shoes, hand rub, then inner gloves, gown, surgical mask or N95 mask, goggles, then hood and outer gloves. Doffing is done in the order of infecting PPE and unzip, outer glove, then hood is removed, then shoe covers, hand rub, again goggles are removed, N95 mask removed, head cap, inner gloves, then hand wash. These are the personal protective equipment used in COVID-19 patients. The order of putting PPE other than coronavirus patient are gown, then mask, then goggles, then gloves. Then doffing of order is removing gown, gloves, goggles, then mask and hand washing. Always in dunning, the mask is weared first, then the goggles, but in doffing, the goggles are removed first, then the mask is removed. And discarding the PPE equipment is also important. First, they will remove the gown, gloves and goggles and discard it in patient's room, isolation room itself. Then after coming out of the isolation only, they will remove the mask. This is mostly done for airborne disease patients. After coming out of the isolation room only, we want to remove the mask or N95 mask.